Whoa, after so long.
Hello! Oh wait, let people join and then we'll say hello.
Hi friends. Friendships.
Joining. Okay, first
So we're
comment.
live after a very long time.
Okay, that's 200 people. Okay, now. Oh, okay, sweet. Hello!
Thanks.
Hello.
Hi guys!
Hi cows.
Long time!
Hi Insta guys, hi FB guys.
You know, we're supposed to be social distancing.
Oh, where's my
so-
mask? Where's my mask?
Is that. Hey, hey, get my mask too, Samar.
Hey. Do I even have that?
Oh, okay.
Hey cows.
Hey meows.
Insta cows, guys, no? Insta
Yeah.
cows and Summer's head is getting cut in that top video.
Now,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
It's pretty hardcore, man. This is good stuff.
So guys, okay. Okay, we've been living with each other for a very long time now, so we know that none of us
I have to be
are
careful.
infected.
Yeah.
So
we shouldn't be infected by Summer's humor, sense of humor.
yeah, because his sense of humor is actually sense of tumor. Like yeah,
It is new, like all things on top and all. You can see.
yeah, a lot of new stuff.
Yeah, I think it's been a while since we've gone live.
Mm.
zamane ho gaye.
Yeah.
Hi Facebook. Hi Insta.
You guys know who's late
Okay.
as usual?
Wenky yes.
Oh, live video.
Whoa.
God, are you serious? It's back.
Yes. We are back.
Okay, so
How you guys been? What is that? Where did that fall from?
yeah, that's where you and I go.
Magic.
So guys, first of all, hope everybody is doing fine.
I can see a face.
Where's the bass?
Okay, hope everybody is doing good.
I mean the bass
And
guitars.
lockdown may, there's a lot of people who are going through a difficult time, and a lot of people are comfortable as well. It's both things are happening. It's a struggle for a lot of people, so we should pray that things get better soon and people don't have to suffer so much. And so this live chat is for what?
So we're releasing a Tamil song.
No, it's a Malayalam song.
Oh, sorry, a Malayalam
Yeah,
Tamil song.
you get pretty confused about South Indian.
हम हिंदी
languages.
पंजाबी काफी करते हैं सोचा कि थोड़ा साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज भी कर लें.
Yeah, can you guys guess the name of the Malayalam song that we're releasing today at 3 o'clock? It's called Aisan.
It's called
Aisan. Okay, so yeah, we're releasing. Sorry, guys, we were just kidding about that. We're actually releasing a Spanish song. It's called Aisan. Okay, so tell them the truth.
Okay, guys, so you've already seen that we've revealed the name of the song and also a little bit of the look of the video. And that's it though, there's nothing more than that in the video. So,
You've already seen the video.
yeah, you've already seen the video.
It just repeats one more time.
Acha, we are also waiting for Venki, he's supposed to be here.
Yeah.
But we're waiting to Aiga, so you'll see him coming from that door.
So you guys know what Venki S stands for, right? Anybody?
S for late.
S for slow.
As for Ehsan, tera hoga.
S
No, someone's surprised. Wow, it's Malayalam. No, we were just joking. There's no Malayalam song. It's a Hindi song.
Yeah.
An old rendition again. But a lot of people are asking for originals from us, and it's not that we don't want to do it. Unfortunately, because of lockdown, we couldn't plan a lot of things for our upcoming original,
Yeah.
and that's why we had to pause. Otherwise, it was going to be out long ago. So, but the thing is, yes, it's going to be out soon. We shouldn't say it, no,
कौन सा
because every time we say it, it gets jinxed and it.
इन गाने का नाम क्या है?
गाने का नाम सबको पता है मुखड़ा.
ओह फिर बोला इसने.
Okay.
कोई नहीं देखते हैं. We're gonna test it कि कितनी बार jinx हो सकता है.
Okay, guys, if you want, we can do we can have a bet to see if it releases sometime this year or next year or the year after that.
Yeah.
We'll see who wins. And the winner gets to show their mukda.
Yeah.
I don't know about the winner, but loser is Wenky yes. He's still not here.
Okay, so you guys chat. I'll do a quick chat with Venki S.
Quick call.
Yes, just call him up. Call him
Let's
up.
see what was going
Hope
on.
he's fine.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, how are you all, guys? We are fine. We are it's getting a little boring and monotonous, honestly. But it'll be fine. There's a lot for us, all of us, to learn in this time. It's almost like Vipassana, not really like Vipassana, but there is a lot to learn from this difficult time. For some, it may be a lot more difficult. But just see, if you're going through a difficult patch, there has to be something that you can get out of, get something out of, and just don't be impatient. We've all got to be patient, and acha time aayega, everything's going to be fine, and yeah, we're all of us are in this together.
वो वेंकीएस फोन नहीं उठा रहा है.
Is it on speaker?
अब
Let's say hi
उत्तर
to
नहीं
him.
दे रही है. कृपया कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें.
He's not answering.
The person you're calling is not answering. Please try later.
I think वो आना नहीं चाहता है.
It's okay. It's okay. If he's here, he's here.
And if he's not here, he's not here.
If not here.
So yeah. But anyway, it's been pretty crazy, this lockdown scene, and I think main thing is that people are just trying to be safe. So that's like, it's good that most of you are staying at home, even though things are opening up
Yeah.
and stuff. And what do you do when you're sitting at home and you're bored? Listen to
Where is Keshu? They're asking. Where is Keshu?
केशव का है? केशव का है? ये वेंकीएस है.
Sorry. I have this knack of being invisible. Like even when I'm right here, these guys talk like as if I don't exist. I'm
Who's
invisible.
this?
Let's read some comments. We haven't spoken to you
Hi.
guys in so
ये
long.
नाम क्या है?
ये क्या नाम? It's in Bengali. So
Samar
it'll
or something,
be-
no?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
मैंने अपना
a
नाम पढ़ा तो रुक गया. I was like.
No, I thought that was the name of the person, but it is a comment. So what have you guys been up to? How has your lockdown been? What are you guys up to these days?
Social distancing is not equal. What?
Social distancing
Social
is not
side dis-
equals to social
Wait.
side. क्या?
Disappearing.
Disappearing.
Oh, because we
Oh. Okay. So sorry about
Guys.
disappearing from social media for a long time, but
yeah,
I needed it. Desperately needed it.
yeah.
So because of that, I'm able to talk the way I'm talking right now.
Otherwise, he would be talking like this. Hey guys.
सब कैसे हैं? I'd be like that right now. So, but recovered.
Yeah.
Okay, please take my name.
कौन है? How Salim?
Guys, even if you're not active on Instagram,
So Ragni is doing what? Ragni is cooking, studying, sleeping, and repeat.
same.
Do
Other
the
than
same thing
studying,
again and again and again.
Hey, what's the time by the way?
same thing.
We
other
need to
than
see the time, no?
Yeah, we have time. 42.
Yeah, perfect.
But
Okay.
yeah.
So,
you were saying?
So
you say.
No, I forgot.
You forgot so fast.
Wait, what are we talking about? Social distancing something?
what are we doing in lockdown, guys?
Okay, what are we doing in
This is a
lockdown?
question from
Before that, I
Trisha
just wanted to say
Biswas.
something.
What are we doing?
Before that, I wanted to say, even though we're not active on social media and stuff, it doesn't mean that we've forgotten you guys and don't get sad and all these things. We are like, there's so many things happening in our lives as well. So we're just trying to get things done, make music for you guys, plan our next stuff. We're planning some really interesting stuff for you guys for next year and even like end of this year and stuff. So all those things are happening. So don't feel sad. Just wait. Venki, wait.
हम आपको नहीं भूले लेकिन मैं खुद को भूल गया हूँ.
Yeah, I forgot this guy.
That was
Who's this
deep.
guy?
Who's this?
Who's this guy?
Hey, केशव भैया,
Getting fat, I know.
see you saying.
Who's that? I know, I've become too fat, yeah. I need to work out again. I'll put up some workout videos.
Okay, hi Sangeeta Roy. Thank you.
Pretty cool. No, I put out workout videos and all, and these guys get inspired, and I get fat.
And you, because other people were putting out videos of food
Oh.
while you were putting out videos of you
hey,
working out. Yeah.
Venki S's message coming there. Are you guys ready?
वो आएगा जब लाइव चैट खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yeah,
उसके बाद he'll come.
1 minute before the live chat ends, he'll come and say, "Peace out."
Okay, guys. By the way, so lockdown may what all have we been doing? So for me and Summer, he wakes up at like 5:30 a.m., 6 a.m. Around that time. Then he has a routine, yoga, and actually you should be talking about it. Why am I talking about you?
You-
No, it's
I'll talk
about
about myself.
not saying anything.
Yeah, his routine is Yoda. That's what he does. Star Wars.
Mrs. Virus.
Oh.
No, Miss Virus. Sorry, Mrs.
That's Karuna's girlfriend.
Okay, so yeah, so then our schedule is like Summer has developed a very nice routine which I'm also trying to follow. It's not that easy. It's very hard to be consistent.
Congratulations, sir.
I sleep at 7 p.m. and wake up at 4 a.m.
Jolly Good Roger.
बस यार.
Jolly Roger. So.
Whoa, that's a lot of hearts.
कौन है?
कौन है?
Tanzim Raz.
Raz.
Thank
Now that we
you.
also have to do the hearts, no? How is it?
Because
Yeah. My routine keeps changing. There are too many things happening when you live alone. So, yeah, I just keep doing all the different things that I keep doing.
But one amazing thing that's happened to all us is that we're getting to spend more time with our family and doggies. And he's also getting to be with his dogs a lot more and his brother.
Be with his dogs.
So yeah, that's a big advantage. Summer and I have a craving for a break like this, honestly, but we didn't want it to be locked down, obviously, like this way. We just wanted to take a break from work for some time, but yeah. So
और कितना लंबा ब्रेक यार?
लेकिन अब ज़्यादा हो गया. It's been too long and ज़्यादा monotonous हो गया, and people are really going through a hard time, and जल्दी खत्म हो so people don't have to suffer so much. And okay guys, about this song, so since I recorded this song long ago, like in April, when उस time पे we were also not meeting. So Keshav lives right here, but we were like, let's just be safe and keep some distance. So that's when I started working on the song, and I was like, guys, since we cannot meet and work, let me just do this song on my own whenever I get time. And I recorded this in April, and since then, we didn't know when to shoot it. So we somehow managed to find one day to shoot, which happened last month. And yeah, it worked. Somehow it was not that easy. And lockdown में हम ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो हमने we tried our best.
Ehsan Faramosh.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a really nice, intense video, guys. I think you'll really enjoy this video. So wait for it.
Venki आ
Somebody asked, where is
गया.
Venki?
राही ने पूछा कि वेंकी कहाँ है, and he's here.
Good one. Good one. Good one.
Talk about devil.
Hey! Venki's here.
Venki is here.
Hey, we
Venki को
already-
hi बोलो सब. Venki yes.
So we said Venki, this time what the S stands for slow.
Okay.
Venki slow. Come in so you this
Come.
and that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Facebook or Instagram.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Say hi.
Hello,
Nice
people.
perfume.
What's up?
Nice perfume.
Yeah, sorry, I was
आपको
getting.
smell आ रहा है?
I was getting ready for you guys, And
Yeah, and now it's time to go, guys. Sorry, see you.
Bye.
I'm just kidding. Come in a little bit so you-
Hi Venki.
Yeah.
Hey Nolak.
Hey, it's been so long.
Yeah. Long time no luck.
Summer we need a Malayalam song.
Summer, we need a Malayalam song.
Malayalam song. We're releasing a Malayalam song at 3 o'clock today. Called Aisan. Aisan.
Hi Apeksha.
See, all these songs can also be Malayalam songs. It just depends on how you pronounce it. Aisan. Pronounce the word like Aisan. Then you'll be like a Malayali. Malayali.
Hey, first sanitize your hand.
My hands are sanitized.
He just had a bath. Didn't you hear?
I'm fully sanitized. Are you guys?
The Venki S stands for sanitized.
He smells good.
Yeah.
Fully sanitized. Who smells good? How do they know?
No, we just said no.
They believe.
They believed.
Okay, where do we look? Here or here?
I've been looking here.
यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे?
Just look down. Oh yeah. You can
Hey Ashwini.
Hmm.
Okay, यहाँ पे बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
Please sing a Punjabi song. Sanam, Punjabi song.
Sing a Punjabi song.
गर्मी दी तू छावा वर्गी गर्मी दी तू गर्मी दी तू गर्मी दी तू छावा वर्गी गर्मी दी तू जिंदगी That's it. You guys were supposed to fill in that.
Oh.
Oh,
I was doing the.
fill in the blanks.
Let's try again.
My.
जिंदगी
मेरी
जिंदगी
नासी
जल्दी
सीने नु दे गई सुकून
गर्मी दी
तू
गर्मी दी
तू
छावारगी गर्मी दी
तू.
Zindagi Mary had a little lamb.
Oh God, no.
Okay.
Get out.
We don't need those jokes.
Malayali jano.
Malayali Jana. Malayali गाना.
Nepali song, please, Sanam.
Oh,
I just know one song.
so sing that.
I know more, but I'm not confident enough to sing those. So for now, I'm just going to sing the one I've already performed. So, Parelima. Wait, I forgot the lyrics already.
That's good enough.
That was good enough. Yeah. That was so fast. इतना जल्दी lyrics भूल गया.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Can you sing an Odia song? You know any Odia song, Venki?
Oh God, it's in some.
Bengali song.
Parelima lukai rakhana angaloma badhi rakha janana de.
Keshav needs treatment.
Treatment, better treatment.
Mental treatment.
Yeah.
That's it.
My brain has some problem.
Hey,
Lockdown has affected you.
Yeah. Like great.
hey Pooja. Thank you.
Hey, pray.
Hey, pray. Pray Lima. What is that? Just
Can you sing Spanish?
Marathi, Kannada, Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
Yeah, all those songs. are
Bollywood.
releasing. All these songs: Marathi, Malayalam, Tamil, Spanish,
Then Bollywood.
and Bollywood, all releasing today at 3 o'clock. And it's
What's the
called
time?
Aisa.
Time क्या हो रहा है?
Time क्या है?
Okay, we have 10 more minutes.
Okay.
9.
So 9 more minutes. So we'll do a live chat for another maybe 4 or 5 more minutes, and then we'll say bye. Then you guys gotta go to YouTube and wait, because wait, V for wait, V for Venki.
क्या? उसको पता नहीं बोलना क्या.
When will you come in Rajasthan?
Rajasthan,
Hey.
so
Okay.
when things ease out a little, then yeah, for sure we will.
Yeah, can't wait to travel again. Actually.
Yeah, can't wait to do shows. Yeah, ये बहुत जल्दी time निकला है, by the way. It's been 5 months now.
Yeah.
It was started in March, April, May, June, July, August. Yeah,
Korean
5.5
song.
months.
Korean
Almost.
song.
Korean song.
You know any
Korean song.
BTS song?
BTS.
We have to look
No.
different for that.
No.
We have to
Sorry,
do plastic
guys.
surgery. Then we look. Hey, that they were saying no. I should do what surgery?
Surgery.
Something he said. Treatment.
Treatment.
There's a doctor. His name is Jerry. I call him Surgery.
Hi Maisha.
Surgery.
There's a knight
Hmm.
called Jerry. Sir Jerry. You know that.
Oh my,
Knight.
my,
Now you-
not that night one.
Too complicated. Please
Yeah.
do. Please come Calcutta.
What?
They said come to Calcutta.
So my
Everything after
comments are being showed.
Yes, all the comments are being showed.
Oof.
Samar Puli.
Aswati.
Fully.
Please say my name. Please said your name.
Say my name.
Don't annoy me.
Whoa.
Love
joking,
from
just
Holland. Hi everybody in Holland.
Holland.
Hollanders. Hi Hollanders.
Just like the US president, no? Holland, Trump.
Oh my god. Could be.
Duba
Orange.
Duba रहता है. You wanna do that?
We already did. Oh,
Oh.
like now live. Go check it out on YouTube, guys.
Sing-
It'll give you just enough time.
Sing birthday jingle for my sister. Happy birthday Salma. I don't know what a birthday jingle is, but
But let's just,
happy
we can
birthday.
sing, yeah.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Salma. Happy birthday to you. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Okay, that's a birthday jingle.
Yeah. I thought if you don't say the name, then it can be for anybody whose birthday it is today.
And anybody else's birthday, happy birthday to you guys.
Yes. Marathi language. What? Sing
Marathi.
You said Marathi like 10 times in this live chat.
Yeah. Speak the language.
I think you're
man.
in touch with some Marathi girl. Huh?
Yeah, so many, man. Too many. That's why. Lockdown in Marathi language. Nice shirt.
Just read the comments up.
Oh yeah, I'm reading on
Facebook as well.
Ehsan, something is...
Hey, so yeah, did someone just check Facebook comments? There's something
Nainital.
about Ehsan.
Just scroll down.
Ehsan का कोई comment?
Raj, scroll.
Ehsan.
हाँ, Ehsan को कुछ ये बोल रहा
नीचे.
This one?
है? What?
Please sing.
Oh.
Whatever.
Please sing. क्या? ये वाला?
Bengali song.
No. Oh. I thought it was Ehsan. Look.
Yeah, even I thought. Yeah, it looked
Sorry,
like
sorry.
Ehsan. Yeah.
Birthday is in September. Happy birthday in September.
Happy birthday.
So yeah.
Sing a
Guys, new
Bangladeshi
song releasing. So please go and check it out on YouTube. In
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna.
High five.
We're gonna say bye now.
Yeah.
Go check it out. Like, share, comment, spread the song as much as possible.
Subscribe मत भूलना.
Subscribe.
समझ समझ.
एक सेकंड बहुत टाइम हो गया बोला नहीं मैंने तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना
Whoa! Too late. So yeah, we'll see you guys. It was nice doing a live chat after so long, and we'll see you guys when we release the next song. Maybe
Yep.
not. Yeah, but don't feel
Okay.
bad if you're not too active on social media. Wait for the next release, and we have some really cool stuff coming up this year and next year for you guys. So wait and check it out.
See you guys.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Enjoy the video and the song
And share as much as possible.
with your friends and family.
Yeah.
And
So we say bye to FB first or Insta?
FB first because it says finish somewhere there.
Oh, okay.
So